exact. These are like around 2 years old, guys. It's kind of crazy. I've literally carried this box with me everywhere, and I don't know, I just can't get rid of it because, you know, I'm just like that. So yeah. All right, so I decided to do a video, and let's go straight out into the video. But yo, okay, guys, this thing has dust on it already, so it's like a chest, a treasure chest. You know, I think a lot of these are actually filled up with the first Slimeatory slimes, like the ones that were in these, like the first ones, because I couldn't get rid of them. I can't. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is definitely a first Slimeatory slime. It's completely melted. These were all, I remember, I like recycled them. All right, let's activate it. Whoa. Okay, so it's like water in the top, and then on the bottom it has like some glue. Like the glue went to the bottom. It's weird. Okay. All right, so this is so weird, guys. It's like really creamy. Okay, we're gonna keep on activating it. Okay, now I'm just gonna pour it on the table. What is that on the bottom? I know, like, old slimes, they start to ferment or something. I don't know, not ferment, but they get old and they like become super thick. It's kind of crazy, but sometimes they just become really watery, but sometimes they become thick. So I'm hoping that's the case with this. All right, let's keep activating. It's taking forever. All right, I'm almost done, guys. I think we are pretty much done. I cannot wait to see how this turned out. It seems like it's kind of thin. All right, guys, here is the final slime. I feel like it got thinner and jiggly, but it still does have a really, really cool texture. I don't know what it is, but it's like kind of like thick in a way, like a thiggly, I think that's what they're called. Thick jiggly. Yeah, it's very, very interesting. Smells old. Like, you can tell that it is an old slime. It is so weird. It's very crunchy too, and yeah, guys, this is crazy because this is literally 2 years old. 2 years ago I was playing with this slime, guys. Like, this slime was in the Slimeatory in the beginning. Like, oh my gosh, that is just crazy. And it's still activated, guys. It's still slime. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, let's see a next one. Okay, so I think we should do this one because it looks really cool. It's like a copper, and you guys think it's still activated? Because it seems like it is. You think it's rotten or something? What the heck? Okay, let's see. What the heck? Okay, this is, I'm not kidding, guys. This is legit like 2 years old. I haven't like touched this box in so long. What the heck? It's not even rotten, because sometimes they like rot and they like literally just become like super hard and they just get rotten, and it's weird. Yeah, it's completely fine, guys. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Whatever I did to this slime, I need to keep doing, because like this is amazing. This is insane. It did get a bit firmer. Maybe it was like this from the beginning, but like oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I remember this slime, actually. I know what slime this is. This is the one where we did a giant, like one of the first giant pigmented slimes, and we made like 4 different colors. And I kept like a little 4 ounce cup of each of them because I really like them. And yeah, this is the copper one. So there should be like 3 others in there if they didn't like get broken or something. But yeah, let's see if we can find those. But oh my gosh, that is crazy, guys. All right, guys, next one. I think we should do this one right here. This one I definitely remember. This one was actually Jamela. She made a giant diaper glitter slime from like Karina Garcia recipe. And yeah, it seems like it's kind of good still, which is really weird because these ones usually melt. What is wrong with this slime? Oh, this one. I think this one is rotten, guys. Let me smell it. That is rotten. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna play with it for the sake of you guys. I want you to see, and I kind of want to see too. It has jelly on top, which is so disgusting. This is so disgusting, but I'm gonna play with it anyways. I'm gonna play with it over here. Oh my gosh, this is so, okay, yeah, this is terrible. It's pretty, but it is disgusting. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, next one. Which one should we do now? We have so many in here. I have no idea what to do. This one. This one is a clear slime. It's very small, but it's a clear slime. It doesn't seem like it's moving, so I want to see if it's rotten or something. So let's see. All right. I think dust came out of it. Oh, I think that this one is rotten. This is definitely rotten, guys. Okay, I'm still gonna take it out because why not? Oh my god, that looks so cool, honestly. Like, what? That's 2 years old, guys. 2 years old. I was playing with pigment ever since the beginning. Next one. I remember this. This one was a 2 a.m. slime challenge I did on the Navalua family. I'm not sure who made this. Might have been me. I don't know. But yeah, it's completely dry now, so that sucks. That's it for that one. Okay, next one. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, What is this? That's so disgusting. Okay, this is, what? Oh my gosh, what the heck? Okay, oh my gosh, guys, this is crazy. You know, I feel like this one is a sand one I made in, like when Karina Garcia's slime book came out, I think I recreated like one of her DIYs from her book, and I think this was one of them, and I was doing like a sand one, or it could have been a challenge too, but I don't know. But look at this slime, it is so thick. It reminds me of like candy or taffy or something. Okay, I didn't know this was gonna be a good idea. I thought it was gonna be completely melted, and it was gonna be like horrible, but this is actually so nice. I'm gonna try and get the rest out. I love that crackle. Whoa, this is the weirdest thing ever. That is so crunchy. Okay, this is crazy, guys. I cannot believe that this is still activated. It's like perfectly activated. It's crazy. Like, did I overactivate these or something? Because like they are amazing. Like I don't even, I'm so shocked. Like, this is crazy. I just can't. Okay, I guess that's it for that one. I thought it was gonna be such a terrible idea, but that one was like amazing. All right, guys, which one should we do next? I have no idea. Whoa, what is this one? That looks interesting. We have to do this one. Okay. Is this a butt slime? Is this what happens to butt slimes when they're like 2 years old? This is what I'm saying, guys. These things literally ferment and they become these weird textures. Like, this literally feels like gum and it is so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. No way. Okay, so I think this was a butt slime before. Very, very pretty color. But like the texture of it is amazing. Like, what the heck? By the way, guys, if you don't know what butt slime is, because like I realized I've been just saying that, it's basically just a slime we made up that has like a lot of cornstarch in it. That's it. All right, guys, so what should we do next? Okay, these have been really interesting so far, but I don't know. We gotta get a really interesting one. Okay, so this one is the yellow one. I feel like this one might have been from the background slimes, but I have no idea. It also kind of looks. Oh, I think it was a butt slime. This looks like a butt slime, and it looks like it might be rotten. Oh my gosh, is that moss? I think that's moss. Oh my gosh, that's so disgusting. What is this? What is this? What were we doing? What did I put in this? It smells like shampoo. Like, it doesn't smell bad. Okay, we're gonna activate it. This one, I think, was a Slimeatory background slime. I might be wrong, but I think it was. And I think I put, like, conditioner in it, I think it was. I think I put conditioner in it. I knew it. I put conditioner in it, or, like, shampoo. I think it might have been shampoo. I'm not sure, but it was around Easter. And, yeah, that's all I can say. Yeah, I definitely remember putting shampoo in this. It was the yellow shampoo. I remember. All right, I think I am done activating. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up really quick, though. Okay, guys, here it is. Yeah, I can feel that cornstarch in there. This used to be thicker though, I think. Okay, this is so weird, guys. I remember making this slime before, like I had no idea what I was doing. Like, I had an idea, but like I didn't really know. I was just kind of making a bowl of slime. And then this one was completely from scratch. And I think I put like cornstarch and like shampoo. Suave shampoo, and that's why it smells like that. Still smells so good. That's crazy. It's insane. Let's bring back memories. That is crazy, guys. Okay, well, I guess that is it for that one. That was very, very interesting. Thank goodness I made this one, because this is so cool. I cannot wait for this to clear up, so that I want to see the texture of it after. All right, well, that is it. Let's get on to the next one. All right, next one we do is this one. It looks so weird. I really want to try that. I think it might be a butt slime, actually. Ew. Okay, this smells good. This smells good. What is this? That is so... Oh my gosh. I remember... I don't know if this is the one. I don't think it is. So I think this is Daiso clay. It has to be Daiso clay. I have no idea how to even activate this. Like, does it even need to be activated? This is crazy. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. It's insane. Oh my gosh, it smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. What the heck? This is so nice. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is insanely good. It smells so good too. It's crazy. Okay, well this is actually really, really nice. I was very hesitant on this one. I was like, what the heck is this? I thought it was gonna be super hard. I thought it was all cornstarch, but this is actually so amazing. Like, oh my gosh, this is crazy good. Okay guys, you know what? I think we need to go down deep in there. Ooh, we already got a good one right here. I remember this, I remember it. Okay, let's see. All right, so it's kind of activated still. It has glitter everywhere. I think Jamel made this actually. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's like a ball. It literally kind of feels like silicone or something. Like it's literally just a whole solid object that like could literally be sold as a bowl. Like this could literally be sold as like some type of bowl, I feel like, cause like it is pretty and it literally like feels like some type of mold material. Like I could just put this on my shelf. No way, oh my gosh, yes. I made this so long ago, guys. I did a video where I tried out different sizes of foam beads and I got like these big ones and these were the coolest thing ever. I was like the first person to do this. Okay, I'm sorry, I just gotta say that. I guess we'll just pour it. It seems like it's gotten thinner. This is so pretty. I remember I love this because like it was like the coolest thing to me. It was so unique and like so cool. Like I loved it. It was amazing. Okay, well for some reason this is like a lot thinner, I feel like, because I think I used Color Splash for this, but it was still like thicker. This is like thinner. Maybe I wasn't good at making slime back then, I don't know, but like this is like super thin now. Still looks really cool though. Like look at that. Okay, I love this. This is like really weird and bad, but like at the same time it is so cool and unique. All right, well I guess that is it for this one. Let's get on to the next one. Okay guys, you know what I think we should do? I think we should try and find the other 3 sisters that this has, sisters and brothers. So yeah, let's try. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm not sure if I found it like the one, but I feel like it did. So this one is a silver version of it. It's not filled all the way probably because it like spilled, and it also completely dried. That's like a bouncy ball. That's crazy. This is crazy, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put that with that one. We're gonna try and find the other 2. There should be 2. There should be a white one where it's like interference blue, I think, and then another one gold. Oh, I remember this. I think I just got a bag of pebbles because I saw it on Instagram and I decided to try it, and it seems like it didn't work out too well. It's rotten. See, that's rotten, guys. You can tell that's rotten. It's even got a little bit of moss right there. That looks so cool, guys. That actually looks so cool. I'm not gonna touch it, and I'm like touching it. It's like a big gelatin block. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. It's literally like silicone, guys. All right, let's keep going. I haven't even gone to the bottom. I like literally went to like 2 stories down, like in the middle. Let's keep going. Oh, yes, I think this one. This one is a sister. It's a lost sister. Yes, we did this one. It was purple. You know, I'm not sure we did this one, but I think we did. It was ultraviolet purple. I still have like one of them. What? It's still good. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is insane. Oh my gosh. I'm in shock. This is amazing. What the heck? This is crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm keeping these with me forever. Look at them. They're amazing. Dermatologists hate them. All right, let's keep looking. Yes, I found it. I found the white version. It seems like it's melted, but I don't know. Okay, guys, look at this. At the bottom, there's like a bunch of pigment, but like, look at how gorgeous that is. Okay, I am so happy. This is literally filled with pigment on the bottom. Oh my gosh, I am so happy, guys. These were like literally at like Slimeatory 70 or something like that, like around there, like very close. If these get rotten, I'm gonna be so sad because this is so cool. This was literally in like Slimeatory 70. This one is the best one. Like, it's not even hard. Like, it literally turned into a store-bought slime. I think we might have found the 4th sister. There might be another one, like this one, but I don't know. I'm gonna keep looking. I really want to try and find like more sisters, if there's any. I found this. This seems like it was some version of that. Like, it looks like it was the same thing. I think I might have like gotten like two cups of it. This was probably the other one. Didn't do too well, but these are so squished. Okay, let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Keep digging, guys. I see something right there. I feel like it could be something. Whoa! Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Is clickbait. Oh my god. It's a literal cup! Oh my gosh, I could literally like, excuse me. What's this right here? This is the ending of the slime smoothie because we mixed them all together. That's why I saved some of them. This is the end of the sisters. When they combined their elements together, they created a rose gold. Oh my gosh. And they're still good. I am like in shock. This makes me so happy. Okay, we're gonna put that back. I'm gonna keep looking because there could be more. And yeah, all right, let's keep going. Okay, this one I think is just a pearl white. How many colors? I thought we just mixed 4 colors, but I might be wrong. Does pigment keep slimes good? Like, this is insane. These are 2 years old, guys. Like, I am serious. These are straight up 2 years old and like literally like haven't been touched. Like I think I played with them for like a week or like maybe a month, and then I literally just stored them and I never played with them again because I completely forgot about them, but I still had my box of slimes, you know? So yeah, that is crazy. Let's keep looking. We're gonna keep looking. Is there anything on the side? Oh, is that? I'm sorry, 1 second, guys. I thought this slime got thrown away, to be honest. Like, if this is the one, I'm gonna be so happy. No, it's not the one. Oh, whoa. That's like a 2-year-old butter slime right there. But guys, this is what I was looking at. This is like a burst, like a classic, the Navalua family TNF Slimeatory store bought slime. Oh my gosh, I remember it was birthday cake. I think there is some in here, but there's like not a lot. Okay, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. So this was insane. I am so happy I looked at this. If you guys want me to do another one, I will do it because I think I might just do another one because this was crazy. This is literally like a box of memories because I made these slimes like, you know, just randomly, and like they literally are memories. Like they're so cool, especially these pigment ones since they stay the same. Usually clear slime melts. That is just mind blowing to me. You guys comment down below if you guys think I should like give one a makeover. And that's it. Thank you so much. I really hope you see you next time. Bye.